too gentle to a fault.
Uche, what was the meaning of that you did back there in the palace?
What does he look like?
Cut it and answer me. It's an order.
Well, my father wishes to know when we should visit for proper introduction and collection of lists in regards to our marriage.
Like seriously?
Yes.
Without my consent? Oh, you think I don't have a say, right? For your information, you better don't bring them here, except you want to embarrass them. Uche, we are friends for crying out loud, good friends. But I can never marry you. I will never. If you're not comfortable with that, then take a walk. Excuse me.
Princess.
Ikenna, my son. I call you this night because I have something very important I have to discuss with you that has to do with your future.
What is it, Papa?
I'm sorry the way I talked to you in the morning. But it pains me when I see my only son that's supposed to be the next king misbehaving, following little girls around in the village without future.
I'll be the king. But Papa, please stop this April Fool in September. Stop it.
Who is fooling who now? Is it me that is planning your future? Or you that doesn't even know?
But Papa, what you're saying will not work. And you know it. You that is my father have not even succeeded in becoming the king. Let alone me. Please stop wishing me this bad luck. Oh.
Bad luck? How dare you say kingship is bad luck?
Obviously, it's bad luck. Because before I dream of becoming the king, they will kill me in this village. Which you know. See, let me tell you, even if the king asks you to prepare me to succeed him in the kingship, you know it will not work. I will advise you to look for a good prophet and keep close to the king always.
Ikenna, my son. The king needs a husband for his only daughter, Princess Adora. And it's obvious he might want to choose from the sons of noble. Which you are qualified, because I am noble.
Wait, Papa, you mean I am noble?
You are the son of a noble. I am noble.
We are noble?
Yes.
Hi! So, me and Ikenna will be the next king? Eh? But my age, does it...
No. The girl might even prefer because we are as young as she is. Wake up, my son, wake up.
It's actually sounding interesting now. So, how do you want me to go about it? What exactly do you actually want me to do?
Good. Make sure you don't tell your mom, so that she will not discourage you. Start dressing well. Stop playing football with the commoners. Get yourself close to her. Register your face. Before that time, she's used to you. You might be lucky she'll pick you.
Me, Ikenna King. Okay, Papa, I shall do as you said. From henceforth, I'll change. I'll change.
Yes, now you're talking like my son. You may go and sleep.
Yeah. Thank you, Papa.
Okay.
Good night. Papa, one more thing, Papa.
And what is that?
You see, I actually want to know how kingship, how it feels being an Igwe. Call me Igwe.
Igwe!
With you, my son. Papa!
Let me tell you, me, into that donkey, one very good day, you and I will be having a better time like this. Why are you laughing at me now?
Ibe, in your wildest dreams.
See, I mean, leave that thing. Oh, you think I cannot take care of you? I'm a full man, no. I'm a full, complete man. I'm not a full man.
Of course you're a man.
So what are you not saying?
But hope you're saving up your salaries, those small change.
See, it's not all about salary. Right. You really don't understand how time changes. Let me tell you. What I just need from you is just make up your mind and just say yes to my proposal. Oh! Oh, I mean, you have entered. Every other thing will be history.
Ibe, yes, so Ibe, yes. Ngwa, make the rest history. Hmm? Please, Biko, just allow me. I have so many things to do in my life.
See, I mean, just knock me eye. Just knock me. See, I'm a fool man. If I rebrand myself,
I'm
you
coming
don't have
out
a
for
choice.
me.
You don't have a choice. I know you don't have a choice.
Ibe, my man.
Oh, you think the way Princess and the Peter are enjoying themselves, you think me, I don't want to enjoy it? I have plan for you.
I like your dreams. You have big dreams. Just keep nurturing it, but not for me.
There is something I want to tell you.
Go ahead.
See, I don't want to hide anything from you. Well, there are two people coming from my hand in marriage. But I have not accepted. Because I don't love them. I don't have feelings for them.
Okay, but are your parents aware of this?
Yes, they are. And they are bent on making me to choose from the two. See, I know why I'm telling you this because I know later you'll still find out. That's why I'm telling you this. I just want you to stand by me. I don't want to be alone in this fight. I just want you to stand and don't fear anybody, not even my father. And I promise to stand on the ground and talk them out of this. Please.
Before anyone. Not even before your father. My great and handsome king, you know.
You're very funny. I love you, Peter.
I love you more, my princess.
How sure are you that he is dating the princess? Chidima, seriously, you're becoming overprotective. That is why you easily jump into conclusion each time you see him with any lady. What is wrong with you? My dear, you won't understand. Peter and I were born on the same day. I can't remember we ever spending time apart from when he wants to pee or take his bath. But now, he goes out, spend the whole day, and when he returns, he turns dumb. My spirit does not lie to me. He is seeing the princess. But I swear, I will make that relationship a bed of thorn coated with bitter leaf. Chidinma, stop! What is wrong with you? Sometimes your action towards Peter and girls make me suspect you. Why don't you let the young man be? You will not marry him, neither will you choose a wife for him. You should be happy he's in love and go find yourself a lover. I can't. I just can't. Chidinma, please. Stop this nonsense and get hold of yourself. Seriously, I'm no longer finding this funny. Please. I wonder. Eh? Chidinma.
day, my precious jewel. I guess you're here to see my mom.
Well, I'm here to cook for my men.
Can you repeat that again?
I said, I'm here to cook for the love of my life.
No, my princess. Come, let's talk. You can't cook in my kitchen. I mean, it's not for your type.
Peter, I know you don't believe I can cook, but trust me, that is what I'm here to prove. Let me just cook for you, please.
Cook for who? I'm asking you now. Cook for who? Oh, you're here to tell us that we don't cook good food in our own house, Abi?
No, Chidima, that's not what I mean.
So what do you mean? Madam, cook!
Chidima. What's the embarrassment of time? Chidima. See, if you don't shut up and carry this one out there and get inside this military.
You will beat me! Oh, what still? Kill me! I know you can easily kill now and bury. After all, you have a wealthy girlfriend that could see the mark of the masses.
Chidima, why are you treating me this way? What have I done in loving your brother? Please just give me a chance to prove I'm a good girl. Please, Chidima.
No! Princess, no! Go now! There's no space for you in this house! Go or else!
Or else what, Chidima? Or else what? What is wrong with you? Every time just embarrassing me anyhow. My friend, will you get inside now before I'll slap you? I say get inside. What's the problem? Just stand here. Come on.
Stop the picture! I'm in love with you! What?
Princess!
What did she just say?
Princess! Come with me. See, I don't care to know this nonsense you're doing. You see this nonsense that just came out of your mouth now. Just pray. Pray that the princess forgives me. If not, this house will not contain the both of us. Let me change your face and go for the princess. Stay right there.
Chidima, what did you just say with your mouth? That you are in love with your own brother. You're not ashamed to say that.
Don't touch me.
How dare you? How dare you come before me with your deceitful face?
My princess, it's not what you think. Please hear me out.
You're a madman. You're indeed a madman. I should hear you out. What do you want to tell me? Or you want to watch me more? Gosh. You've been sleeping with the girl you call your sister. Peter, I loved you. I cared for you. And you promised me. Yes, you did. You said you'll be there for me. You will never lie to me. You will even fight for me. Still, you poisoned me. Peter, you poisoned me.
Princess, it's not like that.
Get out. I said get out. Out.
would I be doing now? Sleeping and relaxing in a bed. Why? Ika, why? I loved you.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
I'm fine.
No, you're not fine. Look at you. You look so pale. Have you been crying? Eh, princess? Anyway, your dad and I have been there waiting for you to join us for breakfast. And your maid reported that you said you were hungry. Is that true? Don't tell me that you're angry with your dad and I.
Please, Mom.
Okay. Please, if you're angry, just forgive us, eh? But I want you to know that...
Mom, it's not about you and Dad. I'm fine. I'm not just hungry.
No, you're not fine. Listen, my dear daughter, whatever it is, anything is for your good. We love you.
Mom, please don't keep your husband waiting. I don't want him coming here.
Okay, in that case, I'll tell him that you join us in a jiffy. Okay? Hurry up and join us, eh?
Mama, just stop forcing me now, eh? I am not hungry.
Child, my son, eh? Even if it's a little, you know, I can't stand you not eating anything since yesterday till now. Eh? I know how you feel. But the princess will definitely calm down and accept you back.
Mama, it's easy for you to say, eh? The princess does not even look like someone who wants to even listen to me. I intended telling her everything. But she doesn't even want to hear a word from me.
Don't worry. I assure you, everything will be fine. And so shall it be. Please come. Come and eat. Be gone. Eat that one. Even if you want me to feed you, I will. Come and eat.
I've heard you, but not now.
See how you people have made this house so lonely. The peace, the laughter, the play, and the joy of eating together. And everything
All that ended ever since the princess maneuvered her way into a happy family.
You must go and apologize to the princess. And tell her everything was a joke.
Mama, if it was a joke, I guess all of us would have been happy today, laughing and falling on each other. Mama, she should be the one to apologize to me for taking my love away, for tearing my heart apart, for bringing sorrows to me, Mama, for snatching my Peter away from me.
Stop, Michelle! Who is your Peter? Who is your love? So you're not ashamed of yourself? You're not ashamed of yourself, eh? I don't have time for you yet. You better come inside and eat your food. And prepare yourself to apologize to the princess tomorrow. Nonsense.
Princess, ever since we sat down here, you have refused to say a word. What is it? The queen said you have refused to take any food except fruits. And the worst is that you have refused to tell anyone what the issue is.
And they have called it to loosen my tongue, right?
My princess, you know how I love and cherish you. I'm just concerned and worried. But even if you don't want to tell anyone about the problem, please cheer up and start joining your parents at the dining. My love, the light that illuminates my soul, my jewel of inestimable value. Can I tell you a story? A funny one. I know you will love it, my princess.
I am not in the mood for any stories.
Look, it is not just a story, but a joke.
But still, I'm not interested.
My dad sent his greetings. The king is eager to know when my family
No
is coming.
family is coming to see any family concerning me. Prince Chike Kletu Wago. If your father, the king, is eager to look for any princess for you to marry, then tell him to go to any other kingdom and look for one.
My princess.
Go there.
Honorable of Africa. How may I help you guys?
Honorable, I'm very sorry. Honestly, I'm very, very sorry. Yes. You see, I tried my best. We tried our best.
Yes, two of us.
But she seemed to be too furious about the whole matter. Honorable, I'm suspecting something.
Me too.
I think you must have hurt her so deeply. You know, because Princess Adora is somebody that listens.
Yes.
But for Princess Adora to be this furious, standing on our ground. Honorable, you have hurt us so deeply.
Correct.
But
a prophet.
that is not to say that we won't do something. We are into it already. We will do our best.
Huh?
We will try our best.
No. Honorable, he will do his best. Yes, you will. You see, Honorable, let the truth be told. He is just a youth president. And I've just realized that the only thing he does as a youth president is to convince people, and he's very good at it too. He convinces people to drop their weapons and crimes. And he's not a marriage counselor. So I see no reason why you should be punishing him. But
Nedu,
you will try now.
You
will try.
Nedu,
you guys can mock yourself for all I care. And you, see how fair you are, like Papa. See your tummy, see your knicker, see everything. I'm trying to package you. And this is all what I get at the end of the day. Is it?
What has come over you? What has come over you now?
Wow. Presido, you self think calm. You are a playboy now, are you not? We both know that you are a playboy, and I see no reason why a playboy like you should start meddling into marriage affairs. Presido, see, let us go straight and meet our babes. They are waiting before they lose their patience, and you know they are new cattle.
You know what? You're a madman, and I know it that you're a madman.
Presido.
You guys should not spoil my cow. Don't spoil my cow. But just imagine. Rubbish. I will show the two of you. You will know what I will do to you. You will not believe. And for that princess, me, I will get her. No matter what it takes.
Chidinma, seriously, for your mom to come to us and ask us to talk to you, then this matter is serious. Now, wow, Chidinma. You went too far now.
Njideka, you're too cold on this girl. See, me, I did not come here to preach to you like a pastor. The truth is, you messed up big time. Why would you act the way you did if you were not crazy? You beat up every female friend that smiles with Peter. And we all thought that you were just being overprotective. But yes, I knew there was something more to it than that. The day you fought me in the market was when I finally concluded that it's either you were sleeping with Peter already or planning to.
Chika.
Leave me, Kwano. And you have done the worst by opening your tiny mouth to profess love to him. Even before your mother and the only one who would have turned your situation around for the best.
Chika.
What?
Leave my house.
Chidinma, please don't start. This is not the time to start showing what you're made of. You brought this upon yourself. And we are the only ones that can bring you back to your senses.
Chika, leave my house this minute.
Chidinma, she will not leave. Just listen to
Chika! Leave my house. If you don't leave this minute, if I change my mind, I promise you, you will leave here and come.
Chidinma, you lie! Forget about what happened the other day in the market though. See, I came prepared today because I knew it would turn out this way.
Oh, really?
If Chika leaves, then I will leave. Since you don't want to accept rebuke and make your ways right.
I was planning to ask you to join her, but thank you for making it easy for me. Wow, I love you. Oh yeah.
Chidinma, you mean you're sending me out of your house?
My house, and not yours. Please leave.
Chika, please, let's go.
I am going. But my mouth will smell if I don't tell you this. You are a disgrace to the entire youth of this community. Ungrateful fool like you. Sophia Aqua. I beg.
Guy, do not say you cannot do without the princess. She is royalty for Christ's sake. And there are lots of suitors coming for her hand in marriage. See, let me tell you. If you kill yourself thinking over her, before you know it, Piam, she's in the hands of another man.
Peter, forge ahead with your life. You have lost the princess and there is nothing you can do about it. Chidima has ruined it all. And remember, Chidima is always there to make your relationship with the princess a journey to hell.
Talking about Chidima, has she finally decided to leave here?
That one. Ha. She is busy praying every day that God should blind the eyes of all the girls. Casting and binding that God should kill all the destiny snatchers.
So you mean to tell me it's you and her forever then?
Wow. So guys, what are you going to do about it?
What I should do? See guy, all I just want now is Princess Adora and that's all.
Try. Peter, my guy, I pity you. You must be as wise as King Solomon to resolve this issue with you and the princess.
Then, I think you need to tell the princess the whole truth.
I have been to the palace more than 12 times to spill out everything to her. But it's just not working. Before it was better. At least when I go to see her, she will come down and talk to me, even if she doesn't want to hear me out. But now, she doesn't even want to come down. She doesn't want to see me. Instead, she will instruct her guard to tell me that she's not around or she doesn't want to see me.
And very soon, she will instruct her security guards not to allow you even enter the compound.
Gradually, your relationship with her will become history. Peter, forget it. You have lost the princess. The princess has finally lost her interest in you. My guy, just drink your beer, Drink your beer. Drink.
Peter, I want to see you.
For what?
I want to see you small. I'll be brief.
Let me see if I'm coming.
Can I take a beer?
Don't touch my beer.
Sorry, I want to take a little of your time. I want to thank you for taking good care of Chidima.
He came back.
The husband.
He came back. You said you'd be very brief. Please just go straight to the point.
See, the Ikemba you are seeing now is not the Ikemba you used to know. As I'm talking to you now, I just sold three different land. And I have money. I want to marry Chidima.
What did you say?
I want to marry Chidima.
Hey! You want to marry Chidima?
Yes.
Are you sure about it?
Yes.
Hey, go and tell her now. Go and tell her you want to marry her.
What are
you have my approval coming from Peter. Go and tell her that you want to marry her.
You want to be my in-law?
Go and tell her. You don't have any problem with that.
Hey!
That's all.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, me!
Yes.
Yeah?
Go and tell her.
Okay. When do you want me to bring the drink? Is it now or later?
Don't worry about the drink. I don't need anything from you. Just go and carry Chidima. Go and tell her. As long as you have my approval. Go and tell Chidima. Tell her you want to marry her. And that's all. I'm okay with it. Okay?
In-law.
Save Johnny.
In-law.
He came back.
Hey,
Johnny. Enjoy.
In-law. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're
Hey,
welcome.
Peter. My in-law. When I meet her, I will fix a date for the wedding. I will let you know. In-law.
What's up? He said he wants to marry Chidima. See,
That's good news.
I have given him my approval.
That's better now.
Better just get married and go. If you want to marry Chidima, better for me now. At least don't want to start and be fighting the princess all the time.
Chidima.
Ikemba,
Eh?
what are you doing here? Who are you looking for?
Ha! One question at a time. When money speaks, everybody will bow. Anyway, as for the question, it's you that I'm looking for. And thank God I have found you.
Me? What's the problem?
I'll be brief. Among all the maidens in this village, you are the most hardworking, most beautiful, humble, and if I look at you, my stomach will be doing me.
Ikemba, you said you'll be brief.
Okay. Oh, Thomas, get set, ready, go. Jay, I forgot to remove the key. Chidima, will you marry me?
What?
Yes. Give me your hand. I have sold my father's land. 3. And I'm ready to render them homeless. Just to make you comfortable. Say yes. Give me your hand.
Oh, you're so wonderful.
Thank
This is so beautiful.
Chai.
Please, rise up and give me kiss as a sign of acceptance from me.
So. Why would I? Who am I? What am I waiting for?
Marry your mother. Hey, so you look around this village, Ikemba. You do not see your front mad women. Don't give this your demonic ring though. It is Chidema. Wait for me, I'm coming.
Hey! You will back me! You got boobies! You got tongue! You will look for me!
If I see this orphan again, you're dead. You got move!
I'm not bravery! You got tongue! You will look for me! You got boobies!
Yes! Come on, marry me! Oh, Jesus! If I catch you in this orphan again, you are dead! You are dead now! Nonsense! Jesus! Let me catch you!
Now who be that? Yeah?
Na me o.
What's not the gate? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my son. Please, is the princess inside?
Yes. Any problem?
I'd love to see her.
Is she expecting you?
Not really. But she will be glad to see me.
Okay, waiting be your name.
Tell her Ugoma. Peter's mother.
Ugoma?
Yes.
Oh. Welcome. Come on, sir.
Thank you.
Wait here, eh? I'll get it. Madam, no vessel. You say be which person, Mama?
Peter. Peter's mother.
Peter's mother. Yes. Come and tell me. Okay.
ready. What is the meaning of this?
No best.
Why the sudden change in mind?
I don't want to lose my job, oh. President said that he don't want to see Peter around this palace. Or anybody related to him, his family members. I beg, I don't want to lose my job.
Well, I understand. But please, tell the princess I am hungry. Tell the princess I have nothing to live on. Tell the princess to come to my rescue or I will die.
Madam, no verse, you no go die, yeah? I will tell her. Hey.
Thank you.
Thank you. No verse, I push you. I don't want to lose my job. Hey. You see, you go there, come on. This woman won't die now. This woman is hungry. Eh? And she said she will die. You can tell.
Chidima, go back. Leave my compound immediately.
Chika, please don't start.
She's here for good. Good. I am not interested. Leave now, else you show me that your power. Get out from my compound.
Chika, now what for you? So if it comes to fight, you can fight me. But unfortunately for you, I came for good. I'm here for peace.
Peace? When you send me out of your house with threats. Get out from my house, Joe.
Oh yeah. You can pour yours. You can also pour your own threats and let it balance. But believe me, I'm sorry.
Your sister, get out of my house. Your sister, you.
Chika, now what for you? At least hear her out now. Jideka, it's okay. I will leave. Chika, I'm leaving. I only came here to find solace. Your words are always too hard on me. But this time, I need them. I have treated you badly. Oh, please find it in your heart to forgive me. We are still friends. I don't think I can stay without your company. Thank you for your time.
Chidima, I forgive you. I'm sorry for the way I left the other day. And I've also realized I wasn't supposed to talk to you the way I did. I am sorry. It's okay. Now, have you forgotten about your brother Peter?
She has not. I even asked her the same question when she came to my house begging. She insisted that she can't let him go. But I think she'll come back to her senses in no time.
Hey, yeah. I sure know how you feel. Come inside.
Stop crying, please.
We'll find a way around this, okay? Dare you? How dare you mention that name here? How many times have I warned you never to call that name here?
I'm so sorry, my princess. That was why I
Now
wanted...
get out!
I'm sorry, my princess.
I said out! Who is playing?
It's you, my princess.
My princess, let me quickly drink water. I'm coming.
You can take from my fridge.
I also need to change this. It's full, I need to change it.
You can go, hurry, please. I don't want to consider anything here.
Oh my God. Ah, my princess. This is the first time of the woman visiting the palace. You'd have given her Sochi.
Actually, my princess, it isn't that woman that needs such help. In fact, she didn't even come to the palace.
What do you mean?
The woman who needed your assistance is another woman.
No matter what, just ask them to prepare for it.
Even if it's Peter's mother?
Yes. What did you say?
I did not request for them. And now you want to make it official?
Kanga. Yes, boss. I got you here.
This your dress is one in town. I guess you are taking me out.
No, I'm not taking you out.
Why?
Because I have a date with Princess Adora.
What? Did I just hear you?
Okanga.
Yes, boss.
Talk to her.
Look here, Flora. Ikenna here.
What?
Sorry, boss. Sorry. I'm sorry. Prince Ikenna here is a noble. And the king has already asked him to marry the princess.
What?
So right now, we are on our way to that beautiful palace to meet with his future wife. You know go?
No. Ike, my love, please tell me this is not true. Who is this? Please get out of my way.
Let me tell you, you can't reach him. I personally, I'm sorry you. Henceforth, you have to go through me. And with the written note.
What?
If you must get to the prince.
Please tell me this is not true, please. Please remember you promised to marry me. Don't do this to me. I love you so much.
Upe.
Flora, you know what? I know I promised to marry you. But that was all joke, okay? See, let me tell you. To be frank with you, I don't think this nonsense we call relationship will continue. I mean, I don't want to do again. It's over between us. See, I mean, I am noble. Eh? I'm noble and you're just a commoner. It will not speak well of me. So I can't settle so low at my level to date you. It will not work. I'm sorry.
No, you can't do this to me. Please, no, you can't do this to me. Please tell me you are joking, please.
See, Flora, I am not your size. You get it? I am not your size. I can't. Just allow me, because I can't settle for you. No, now. No. Okanga.
Yes, boss.
Remind me when we get to the palace to tell the king to get me a car when we get to the palace.
A big jeep, to be precise.
Exactly. If I were to be in my car, this nonsense will not repeat itself. I would have crossed her.
With gear
Please, Ike, please don't do this to me. Please,
care of her.
Don't do this to me. Please, Ike, please, please, Ike, please. I love you so much. Please, Ike, don't do this to me. Please, Ike, I love you so much.
Don't allow her to come close to you. You have nothing to worry. I'm already in the group.
Yes, boss.
I will get. Is it not princess? Princess is my wife already.
Yes.
Hurry.
I am noble. What do you mean?
He is noble.
I want to see a princess. I want to see a princess.
Ibe.
Get out from there. My princess.
What is the problem? Allow him.
I told you I'm noble. You're just misbehaving.
Princess,
Good afternoon. Can you move back a little?
Shift.
You move back a little.
Shift. Eh.
Yes.
Shift. It's good afternoon. You're going out.
What is the problem?
You see?
What is the problem?
You're going out.
Ibe.
My princess. Later I'll come to the house. Okay. I'll come around later. I'll come around later. I'll come later if it's later you want. I'll come later.
He's confused for life.
Confused.
Yay! Everything is working well.
Hey!
She likes me already.
I missed my opportunity of entering into that big palace.
Mama, will you shut up your mouth?
Sorry, boss.
You're standing with number and you're making noise.
Sorry, boss.
Clean this.
Yes, boss. Sorry. Sorry, boss.
It's working. She likes me. That's just it.
That's true, boss. But it's like the relationship between you and this princess will never work.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Sorry, boss. Sorry, boss.
Tio, let's go.
Thank you, boss.
Words within 1 second. Chinelo.
Chinelo.
God. Hey.
Chinelo. Papa. Please come. Where she shout as if she's busy, nothing.
And you know, all she likes is food. Talk.
I know.
Food and talk.
I didn't give her plenty. Tomorrow morning, as soon as you are through what you are doing, go and call Chidinma for me.
Oh, Papa, you knew you wanted to say Aunt Chidinma. Why didn't you tell me yesterday when I was going there now? I could have called her for you.
Shut up your mouth. Tomorrow morning, if Chidinma is not in this place, you see what I'll do to you. In fact, I will report you to your mommy. You will deal with her.
If you like, go there and stay till midnight. And you will see what, I will show you what I'm made of.
Nah, Mama. I've not even gone safe, and you're already telling me the consequences of my journey.
Look at this girl. Will you keep quiet?
Come. Where did you learn this math running from?
Huh?
From you now. Or do you want to deny me?
Oh.
Me? When your mommy was pregnant of you, of course now, she was ranked the worst talkative in the whole of this community. Yes,
don't even go there. Don't start. Don't even start.
I have already started.
I don't even have the time for two of you. Don't start.
Hey, Mama, I wanted to even...
Hey, shut up.
Me, I'm not going again.
Hey, sit down now. What's my own?
No, leave my baby for me.
Be spoiling her.
I want to see Chidinma tomorrow.
You are the one spoiling her. You are the one spoiling this girl. Small girl.
I know you will go. You are my darling now,
It's only that one you can tell me.
Don't worry. You know, I will buy something for you. You are my sweetheart. Don't mind your mommy. Your mommy just being jealous about us.
Okay. I'm quite jealous.
So, go and sleep, so that tomorrow morning you go very early.
Go down and start.
Bring the water now.
Madam Chidinma, I'm coming, Please, don't order me about like that. Look at her head. I don't. Take the water.
Don't even think I will call you to come and eat this food.
Hey, look at me. See, for your information, you only have a plate, but I have a whole pot to myself.
Eat your food.
I will.
Chidinma, table manners, please.
As if you're not enjoying me. Hmm? If I don't come now, you miss me. And when I come, you get tired of me. Don't do it. I want to go.
See this in trouble.
Child.
Hmm?
I'm sorry, just eat your food, please. Hmm?
Who not if anyone beg me?
Who? See her.
Just tell her sorry so she can eat her food, I beg.
Me, kwa?
Yes.
Hey. Oh, madam. Queen. Sorry, oh. Sorry, I'm going to eat.
All right. You're welcome.
I will twist this your mouth if you.
As if you are leaving, let me eat this food though. They say table manner. Table manner.
Hey, see this one.
Table manner.
Hey. My princess.
Hey,
Mama.
my princess.
Mama, good evening. Thank you, Mama.
Hey. Thank you for responding to my call. God Almighty will bless you.
Amen.
You will not lack anything.
Amen.
Mama, how are you? How is your health?
God is in control. Please, come and sit down.
Mama, don't worry. I have an appointment to catch up. Ibe, please get the items from the car.
My son, please. Don't bother bringing anything down.
Mama, why?
Yes, I said so. But I really don't mean it. I have surplus to live on.
Mama, what are you up to?
So, I'm really sorry.
What?
Please, my princess, hear me out. Please.
Mama, how dare you? How dare you toy with my kindness?
Jesus Christ. No, my princess, it's not what you think, oh. It's not what you think. It's not what you think at all. Please.
Ibe!
My princess.
Move this car without slowing down.
My princess, please. My children is not my sister.
Chidinma. Chidinma. What is it?
I don't understand this strange feeling.
What feeling?
As if something is happening at home that demands my attention.
Hey! Hey! As like what now? Queen of the country, Abi? I beg, eat your food.
I hope all is well with Peter. I really need to hurry home.
Chidinma, finish your food now. There's no need to hurry.
I want to go.
I don't need you to believe it. But it's the truth. I know we have betrayed Chidinma by breaking the vow not to tell anyone about this, except for those who know. It all happened 27 years ago. There was this very good friend of mine. named Stella. Stella. We were like sisters. In short, people used to refer to us as twins. We were both deflowered on the same day by two friends. I took him with my son Peter. And she was pregnant with Chidinma. As God may have it, we both put to bed on the same day. Stella put to bed by 11 a.m. in the morning. And an hour later, I had Peter.
Have a shortcut. She don't know what she can do. Our time now is 6 o'clock. We are all ready to brush our teeth. We are all ready to comb our hair. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Are you? Stupid, stupid, stupid.
Hey, Chidinma, come let us go and eat.
I'm not hungry.
And I said come let us go and eat now.
And I said I'm not hungry.
But I'm hungry. Mama said let us go inside and go and eat.
That is your own kettle of tea. If you're hungry, then wait while I round up my plate, then we'll go and eat together. Grandma,
I said come let us go and eat.
Leave me now.
Peter, leave her alone.
See this one, I'm not going to the matter. I mean, I can't go to your house.
The one that is mad, better you don't insult me.
What? Ngozi, who called you into this matter? Is something wrong with you or what?
But I'm fighting for you.
And I'm fighting for Peter.
Chidinma, what is it?
Mama, I have a word for Ngozi. You can insult me for all I care. You can take everything that belongs to me. But you see this man? He's my man, and nobody born of a woman goes scot-free for insulting or wanting to take him from me.
Papa, if this is the reason why you invited me, then it's not worth it.
Hey, thank you, my children. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you for your patience.
Yes,
Please send me well to the occupants of the palace.
Okay, Mama. I know you never meant the reason why you came to the palace. But the items I brought, then your name.
Oh. Yeah.
Especially the drugs.
Thank you, my daughter.
Yes, Mama. And please allow my aides to bring it in.
What have you done? What have you done? My princess. Mama. Peter. I surrender. Please Forgive my ignorance. I'm only but a baby mama who doesn't know where to direct her affection to. I've been so Nemo, the mother to the motherless. I love you so much. I'm still a little girl you're always proud of. Mama, please don't send me away. Where will I come from here? Don't send me. Mommy, please come back to me. I have so many questions to ask you. It's only me alone in this world. This mommy, I miss you. Please come back to me. I need you
What is this? Waka. Why do you want to set this palace on fire?
Hey, me? Fire! I beg leave that thing. I am only a messenger and I just did my job.
No. What you did was help spread rumor.
Hey, my brother, please come. Hey. My brother, please help us and judge this matter.
What is it again?
Nothing, Ebube. You can go.
Hey, Ebube.
Oh!
Go nowhere, because there's a lot to hear. You know the man that just left the palace?
What about him?
Waka.
Ifeoma. The man walked up to me and said I should tell the king that he saw the princess returning from farm on foot with late Oboga's son. He said the mood he saw them in was undoubtedly that of romance. So, I went, I delivered the message word by word. Now tell me how I went wrong.
I delivered the message. You are totally wrong.
Tell her what she needs to know.
You have betrayed the princess. If I were you, I would keep my mouth sealed. But you come. Since the man did not walk up straight to the king himself, I know your brain did not think about all that and the consequences of telling the king. Before your mouth started ranting like a parrot. Now because of this things are coming.
Axa.
Ifeoma.
That is to say, you talk before you reason. Play the king does not mention your name while questioning the princess.
Ifeoma, are you leaving your friend and colleague? Remember we are in this together and we promise to stand by each other.
Yeah. That is only when work is much on you, not when punishment is placed before you. Can't you out?
Good evening, my love.
Good evening, my princess.
I'll go with you, ma.
So what brings my beauty here? I thought we agreed that I'll be coming to the palace tonight.
I know, but there is a change of plan. I'm here to cook for my man.
Oh, my princess, not again. Eh? Not again.
What do you mean by that?
My princess. Thank you.
Come straight with me to the kitchen.
Okay.
Honorable Princess, you're back.
Princess, where are you coming from?
Dad, hope you're strong. Had dinner yet?
Princess, I asked you a question. Where are you coming from?
Dad, the last time I had those words was when I was still 18 years. Dad, let me go up and change. I'll join you later for
If you want to dare me, just make a move from here and you see what will happen to you tonight.
Dad, what is happening? Why are you embarrassing me?
No, you are the one who is embarrassing me by going to work in the Buka's farm with his son. You were even seen playing romance along the road. Princess, what happened to royalty? What happened to your car? Why must you trek?
Oh, Dad, I wanted to be like every other farmer. Though I tried telling you yesterday during dinner. But, okay, Dad. Yes, I went to the farm with him yesterday. I just want to know how to farm. Just to be responsible like my mother, your wife, the queen. And today, I cooked for him. Dad, the way he licked his fingers in admiration of my tasty meal. Believe me, Dad, I saw you in him. The way you appreciate Mom whenever you taste her food. I also saw...
Oh, will you shut up your mouth? You have gone mad. You have gone completely insane. Listen, I don't want you to mention that boy's name in this house anymore. Since you don't know how to make up your mind, I am going to do it my own way. Just get prepared to accept either Prince Chike or Honorable Uche as your husband.
Dad, have made my choice. Mr. Peter Obuka is my husband, and be prepared to receive him. Mom, I'll see you later in your room tonight, so that I can tell you more about him. Seems Dad don't want to listen.
I don't want to hear. I do not want to hear.
I'm off to my room. I don't have appetite to eat.
Maybe you have eaten roasted plantain in the village with Superboy. After that, please.
Peter, my love, I want you to know that no matter what happens, I will never leave you. I know my father doesn't like you because he wants me to marry the prince. But believe me, I won't listen to him.
My world, my adorable princess, the angel of my life, my soulmate. I would die if you leave me and follow your father's wish. I know we are 2 worlds apart. I know that we're 2 different people. I also know that you have blue blood running in your veins. Why mine is as red as the scarlet. I know deep down in our heart that we love each other. And I will do whatever it takes to make that happen.
Say no more, my love. You break my heart whenever you say these things. But whenever you hear I'm dead, know that I killed myself. Because my father forcefully wants to marry me to another man.
No, my princess. No, my love. That vow is too heavy to make.
Then that is to prove the level of love I have for you.
I love you too.
My princess, please I beg you, let's start going home before your father the king will stand looking for you. I would rather die by your sword than have him find out that I went against his wish not to allow it out of the palace. Please I beg you.
My princess, my love, please go with him, okay? We have another day for us, another quality time, okay? And I'll always be by you.
Your wish is my command, my king.
slow down, let me ask. For Christ's sake, why don't you tell us where we are going to? We are grown-ups, and it's not wise that you just came into my house and dragged me out just for me to be following you like I have no future. But I said you will know when we get there. And you feel we will run back before we get there. Please say it out or we are not moving any further. Yes, so. Okay, now. Honorable Uche invited me to his house. So I invited you both to join me. I don't understand. What do you mean? Well, he said he likes me. And he wants to see me. But I told him I'm not coming alone, except with my friends. And he said no problem. And you just wanted to surprise us, right? Ha! You didn't even tell me we were going to see the son of the famous senator. So I can be in my best attire. That is because I don't have much time. I cannot wait for you to change up. All the more sister Biko. Chidima. My friend is in love. Oh. So much in love. Okay. Please, can we go now? Yes, we can go. Let's go.
Good day.
Good day, Honorable.
Good day. How may I help you girls?
Don't you know me again?
No?
Oh, so because your father sent you to abroad to finish your secondary and university education, you have forgotten that I was your classmate in Umogo Community Primary School, Chidima.
Oh, Chidima the great warrior.
Yes, so once a warrior, always a warrior. I still rested to date. In short, I have upgraded.
You're funny. It's been a long time. So, how may I help you girls?
I have a very vital issue to discuss with you.
Really? So, what is it?
Meet my friends, Njideka and Chika.
Hi, girls. Yeah. Chidima, you have not said anything.
Yes. I heard you're planning to marry the princess and the king is in support of it. True or false?
What's the meaning of that?
You're jumping the gun. Please answer my question and clear my doubts.
Chidima. Yes. So, can I go now?
Not so fast, my brother. I have a very vital information for you. Please, if you know what is good for you, you better change your mind concerning anything that has to do with the princess. She belongs to someone else. I know big men like you are always looking for opportunity to overpower the poor. But not in this case, because love is all that matters. You can hurt me, oh. You can take away everything from me. But to make my brother sad and render him hopeless, that I will never forgive you. Chidima, you! See, Onabuche, I don't want to fight you. Rather, I don't want to beat you. Thank God your guys are not here today. Then, if you don't want us to settle it man to man, then we can settle it blow for blow.
You dare talk to me in that manner?
I am fasting today against every destiny snatcher like you that will not allow my brother to enjoy his sweet and wonderful relationship with the princess. That is why I am calm and polite. If not, Uche, I hope I have passed my message. But in case you did not get it in videos, here is the translation. Stay away from Princess Adora. She is my brother's wife to be. Nonsense. Nonsense. Hey, that is over. Let's go. Honorable, believe me, please. We know nothing about this. I know nothing. She didn't tell us. Please, I'm sorry, please.
I know what to do.
Are you mad? Who do you think you are to use our brains?
That is what happened to inquisitive people like you. I didn't want to say anything, no, but you don't want to know everything.
This still baffles me. Chidima, you mean you brought us here to endanger our lives?
No. I brought you guys to serve as backup. In case of outburst of blow, then you either fight side by side with me or scream for the wounded opponent. All the same, I'm sorry. It's just that I cannot stand my brother crying at his eyes and I sit and do nothing. Ever since the message got to him that the king is bent on giving her the princess to another, he has not been himself. I know my brother too well. Even if the honorable appears before him, he will not say a word. The best way I could help was to do what I did.
Chidima, you will never change. You will never change.
My God. Well, I don't have anything to say to you right now. Let's just wait for Uche's return visit. And after that, I shall challenge you to a fight, Chidima.
I will so beat you like a little kid. Chidima, you have provoked me to a fault. I can no longer take it. Rubbish. Chidima, seriously, you acted wrongly today. And I am not happy with you either.
Ndideka, I'm sorry. See, let's just go to Chika's house. I promise you, we will resolve this there.
You are who?
But for Uche, he will not try me. Because I believe he remembered the beating I gave to him when we were growing up. He will not dare me. You
are still talking. Abi?
Please now.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Please, leave me alone.
Ndideka, please.
Leave me alone, please. Don't come.
Ndideka, please now.
Princess, you're back.
Hope all is well.
Please, tell Ibe not to allow...
My princess, Honorable Uche is here to see you.
Tell him I don't want to see him.
Princess, you want to send a common servant to come and tell me you don't want to see me? Thank God for your father. He told me you just walked in. My princess. Well, that's by the way. I demand to know why you should send Chidima to come and warn me against marrying you.
Demand?
Yeah.
Honorable Uche, so, whatever happened to royalty that you dare stand before the princess of this kingdom to order her?
Well, I'm sorry, my princess. It's just that I was attacked by Chidima and her two friends few minutes ago. And she warned me to stay away from you. But you are engaged to her brother. So I came to find out how true that is.
Better. Well, I'm not aware of Chidima and her friends attacking you. And if Chidima had told you that I'm engaged to her brother, then I think she's right.
What? How do you mean? Princess, please tell me this is not true.
Honorable Uche, if Chidima has warned you to stay away from me, then please do. Chidima is a very dangerous person. And I will advise you to stay away from me. Fear Chidima. Please.
This is not true. I mean, this is not true. Well, I did not hear that from the king himself. So, no need to fret. Good day, princess.
Ibe!
My princess.
I want you to rate Honorable Uche in one word.
Hey, mommy, oh.
Speak! It's an order.
My princess, who am I to rate Honorable Uche?
Speak!
My princess, Honorable Uche is handsome.
Just that?
Yeah, and my princess is handsome.
Then introduce him to your sister for marriage. Now leave.
It's my business.
What's funny?
Professor, that question was actually so funny.
Seriously, this guy is annoying. So annoying.
Is it because of Honorable
I
Uche?
don't just want to see him. I don't want to see Honorable Uche. Seriously, he's just so annoying. I don't like him. I don't.
Okay. This is it. Yeah? The lashes. Yeah, straight. I get it. Yeah, of course I can get it for you. It's nice also. It's great. I can get it for you. Okay. And you can fix. Of course. The medium, not
Yeah?
not. Okay.
Rosalie, please excuse me.
Chidimma. Not even a good day from you.
I wonder how mere greeting will increase your height and your size.
Okay, Rosalie, good day. Can I have a word with you?
Why not talk here?
You want me to talk here?
Mm-hmm.
Patricia, bear me witness, oh. Witness. Just listen.
Chidimma, what is the problem? And who told you I'm here?
I went to your house and your mom told me you were here.
Mm-hmm.
How much do you love Onebuji?
And what kind of question is that?
A simple question that needs a yes or no. Unless you want to lose the one you love, then I will allow the intruders to have their way.
And who are the intruders? Okay. I love him so much. Much more than you'll ever know. So who are the intruders?
He's the intruder himself.
What? How?
Good question. Please warn him, oh! Warn him to stay away from Princess Adora. She belongs to someone else. She's even planning her wedding with my brother Peter. Anyone who crosses her path will die young. What is it now? He should stop pestering the princess. She's not even interested in marrying him, oh. She's not interested. I am done with you. Bye-bye. Don't mind that girl. She's crazy. What do you think? Crazy. Honorable and princess.
Pat, I think Chidimma is right.
You don't mean it.
Uche has been acting funny recently. Whenever I call him, he tells me he's at the palace. It could possibly be that he has been going to see the princess.
This is serious. So what do you intend to do now?
I'm thinking.
Please, girl, let me into your thoughts. You better don't do what you're going to regret later, okay? Please.
Patricia, get down from my car.
What?
We are not quarreling, but just get down from my car.
I won't. Rosalind, you are going nowhere for now till you are calm enough to handle this situation.
Oh God, Patricia, please get down from my car.
I will not. Come and drag me down now. Rosalind, what is wrong with you? Why are you always like this whenever you're angry? Okay, fine. Chidimma has heard her own. All you need to do now is walk up to your man and confirm things from him. In a polite manner, rather than barging in on him angrily. And truly, if I must say, these are some of the things that may make the Honorable leave you for the princess. Why can't you carry yourself like the daughter of a high chief that you are? Please, girl, be calm, okay? I care so much about you and your relationship. So please, be calm. Should I still get that from your car? Wow.
darling. How are you?
Why didn't you tell me you were coming?
Honey, who are you talking to?
Rosalie, why didn't you tell me you were coming?
So it is true.
What is true?
About you and the princess. Uche, are you two dating? Huh?
I don't have any other thing to say to you. But let me warn you. Next, when you're coming to my house, call me first on phone. Else, I'll walk you out. Nonsense.
Uche, wait. Don't do this to me. Please. You know that I love you. I'll do whatever you want. Please don't stop loving me, please.
Do leave my legs.
Oh, please.
Leave my legs.
Please. Oh, don't do this to me.
Never leave my legs.
Oh. What did I do to deserve all this?
My princess,
Yes.
Miss Uche's guard is here to see you.
Okay, let him in.
Okay, my princess.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings.
My prince asked me to come and apologize on his behalf for not coming to see you as he promised today. And I should confirm another date for him.
Well, tell him I don't have a specific date for him. He is always welcome to the palace.
Hey. But my princess, he asked me to come back with a date.
Tell him I don't have any special date for him. You can go.
Your Highness.
My princess, Rosalie is here to see you.
Let her in.
Good day, my princess.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine, my princess.
Please sit.
Thank you, my princess.
So, how may I help you?
My princess,
Come on. We are friends, aren't we? Then sit.
Thank you, my princess. I came to talk to you.
Okay, that's why I'm here to listen.
I came to report Honorable Uche to you. We were madly in love, even planning to get married someday. But lately, he has been acting strangely. Even warning me to always call him whenever I'm coming to see him. In the same house I have full access to.
So
I've come to report him to you. And to ask you to please help me beg him to come back to me. I'm still in love with him. And I cannot afford for him to leave me for another woman.
are you here to report him to me, or you are actually here to warn me to stay away from him?
My princess, are you two dating? I'm not aware.
As if you're dealing with a kid. Well, for some time, Honorable Uche has been coming around. And he's been treated as a friend. And friend he will always be. But all of a sudden, I started noticing this game between his parents and mine concerning Honorable trying to get married to me. And he actually fell for their cheap game. Well, I don't know what to say, but
Trust me, I'm not interested in your Uche. And I want you to tell him never to step his foot in this palace again. Because the next time I see him here, I will embarrass him in the presence of my servants.
Wow. My princess, you mean you're not interested in him?
Roslyn, have a nice day.
Thank you, my princess. I'm so grateful. Long live my princess. Thank you. What is happening here?
How do you mean?
Are you deaf? I said, what is happening here?
Well, as you can see, the princess is inside with Honorable Uche.
You mean the princess and honorable?
You just heard me right, and you just have to wait here until she's out. Thank you.
Just give me time to explain.
Explain what? You owe me no explanation because we were not dating in the first place. Hold on to the one that loves you because I'm in love with another. Don't let my father deceive you because he can't detect for me. You know me too well, Uche.
My princess, please create a little space in your heart for me so you could see how much mansion and mountain I can create with it. I love you for real, and that is the truth. I'm doing everything to get Roslyn out of the line, and she's already gone.
Says who? She's not gone. And even if she wants to, I won't let her. For that poor lady to have the boldness to come to the palace, not to visit me, but to indirectly tell me to stay away from you, then I think she is indeed in love with you. Uche, have a heart. You've made her go crazy for you and now you want to back off? Just hold on to her and I know the both of you will live happily.
My love. My dearest. Obim, please don't leave me, I beg you.
Then try and stop me.
Please, my princess. My princess, please don't leave me. Don't leave me, I beg you.
It's not what you think. I actually came here to deliver your message. We were never lovers and we will never be. Hold on to your man. Please hold no grudges against me.
Please don't leave me.
Happy moment together.
My princess, please, please.
Are you not ashamed?
You this witch!
Chasing after shadow. Okay, I've forgiven you. Let's go inside and resolve this. Okay.
You and you go inside. Now get out of my compound.
Uche, why are you doing this to me?
I said get out of my compound.
I stood
Move.
by you against all odds. Even when you have offended me, I still accommodate you. Even when you have offended me 101 times a day. What did I do to you? Please.
Are you done talking? Now get out of my compound. Get out this moment before I do my worst. Get out.
It's okay, I'll go. I'll go. you so much. And I will not be here and things will be happening behind you.
My princess, who is she to meddle in your affairs? She's a nobody to stand before you and talk.
Speak. It's an order.
As it pleases your highness. The king has sent his words to invite your suitors to the palace. But he mentioned only 2. From what I know, you have 3 suitors. Which we are aware of. Plus others we don't even...
Enough!
I'm sorry, my princess.
And when are they coming?
Today, by 1 p.m.
Ibe! Ibe! What is the time?
My princess, it's almost 1 p.m.
I want you to run to Peter's house. Tell him to come here immediately that the king wants to see him. And tell him not to fail.
Okay, my princess.
Mwaka.
Ifoma.
I will tell the chief maiden to transfer me to another department before you put me to trouble.
If you like, tell the gods. Nothing will change, oh. I trust in Amaka. She knows what office is best for us. And she knows that we are professional cleaners. So my sister, if you cannot beat me, you join me.
Father, what am I hearing?
Oh, my daughter, what have you been hearing?
Father, I learned that you summoned my suitors today for a sitting.
Oh, yes. Yes, that's right.
And you sent for Prince Chike and Honorable Uche.
My daughter, you have your ears to the ground and you are hearing the right things. Yes, that's correct. And we are up to date with current affairs, I'm sure.
Father.
Yes.
You don't even care to ask me how many men are asking my hand in marriage.
I didn't know there were so many of them. I mean, I invited the ones I know. And moreover, we are talking of quality human beings here and not animals.
Father, Peter is not an animal, but a human, better than those 2. Well, I already sent for him. And whatever you will say to them, Peter must be part of it, because I love him.
My young girl, may I remind you that the same mouth with which lion cleans the baby's body also houses the tooth with which it kills and tears animals. Don't try my anger.
Igwe! I greet you, my king.
My son, welcome.
Thank you, my
How's your father?
He's very fine. Okay. My adorable queen.
Honorable Uche.
I greet you.
You're welcome.
My princess.
Please.
Honor, please sit down.
Sit down.
Thank you, my king.
You're welcome.
Igwe Igade, the only prince of Umata Kingdom. How's your father?
My adorable princess.
Prince, please sit down.
Thank you very much, my queen.
You're welcome.
Let us, now that both of you are here, let us go straight to the point.
Igwe!
Igwe! May the royal crown last on your head, and may the royal shoes last on your feet forever. The king whose words is final. The only king who does not discriminate. The king for the rich and also for the poor. Igwe, I greet you. Ah, my queen. The only beautiful woman in Numugo kingdom. I greet you, my queen. My princess. You are brighter than the sun and even more radiant than the stars. All hail the most beautiful and gorgeous princess.
I bow in awe of your undented beauty.
Look, my young man, why are you here? Are you on an errand or something?
Father, he is Peter, the man I'm in love with.
Eh? This thing?
This tout,
Come, my friend, will you get out of this place?
this dirty looking hooligan. My friend will get out.
Father, if he leaves, then everyone leaves.
Your Majesty, let the young man be. At least let him sit down and watch us. Maybe it's been long he enjoyed senior jokes from royalty and men of influence and affluence.
Prince Chike, I admire your sense of humor. Okay, you may sit.
What are you, my friend, will you perch on the floor? What are you trying to do? I'm not afraid. Come on, sit on the floor.
Now that I have both of you here, I have a simple task for two of you. Well, three of you, he has been smuggled in through the back door. As we were walking into the palace, you saw a basket of corn outside. I am going to share it among, well, three of you now. You go and plant in your various farms. After harvesting, whoever brings the most beautiful harvest gets my daughter's hand in marriage. Yes. And not only that, I am going to give you half of my kingdom to rule and conquer for generations unborn. So let's go.
What is the matter, my children?
Oh, my life is rude.
God forbid. I say God forbid. Don't you ever use such words on yourself again. What is it? What is the problem?
The king has finally sent for the princess's stores to come with their produce tomorrow.
Hey, is that so? What are we going to do about this? Eh? I thought you were coming from the farm. What is the result?
Mama, it changes nothing. Nothing has changed. Eh? Nothing has changed at all. I go to the farm every day. I water the farm. I clear up the grasses. Yes, the corn has refused to sprout. And now the princess will be so disappointed. Why? The princess will be so disappointed in me.
Then you have to go to the palace. You must go to the palace and explain to the king.
Ha, Mama. Mama, can you be saying something like this now? You shouldn't be saying something like this, I beg. I will go to the palace empty-handed and then tell the king that the corn he entrusted into my care refused to germinate. Ha, Mama. That's something else. That means killing the princess. And it means death to me too.
Then forget about going to the palace. That also means forgetting about the princess too.
God forbid.
Ha!
God forbid. Oh. Mama, see, I can never forget about the princess. I can take the first option. But forgetting about the princess, no. No way. I can never forget about the princess. Mama, see, Ibuka, my friend, said I can come to his farm and harvest his corn. But lying to the king, that one is the worst. That one is the worst. And who knows if that man have assigned someone to watch over me? That man hits me, Mama. He hits me badly. And now he has seen a reason to take the princess away from me.
I'm suspecting that king of a man. He must have sent his bodyguard to uproot that crops just to make sure that he fails.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Mama, she might be right too. She might be right.
Peter, I didn't train you to be cunning. Neither did I train you to become a liar. It's true, we can harvest from Ibuka's corn and nobody will know. But there's someone up there watching. And to offend him is the worst thing I will do. So you will go to the palace. In fact, I will go with you. Ma, we'll go together.
Go now. Then.
You must tell the king the truth. So go and freshen up. Bathe. Wear something good. Tomorrow we'll go to see the king. Okay, but I thought I just solved your problem.
It's not as easy as you think it will.
I
don't even want princess to look at me like a failure, like somebody who's not hardworking, like somebody, or she has just been wasting her time with me.
Don't worry. The princess loves you.
You are all welcome.
Igwe.
The day has finally come. But let me not bore you with words. Like I said earlier, it proved to me that you are a man of integrity and someone that I can entrust my daughter to. Some months ago, I gave you some treasure to go and multiply and come back. So, let us begin.
Igwe, may you live long. May your days be like tomorrow, because tomorrow never ends. My father, the great king of Umata Kingdom, once told me that the chick that will grow into a cock is always spotted the moment it was had. I don't know if you saw the truck that brought in my produce into the palace. If you didn't see, news must have gone to you that I brought heaps upon heaps of corns. The best corn that is to be harvested in the whole world. A beautiful corn to behold, matured in abundance. It will please waste no effort by handing the princess to me as my wife. Because I, Prince Chike Kletus Owago,
has fulfilled your wish.
Wow. Isn't that wonderful? Yes, I congratulate you. You are a great man. But please let me hear from other people before I now make my pronouncement.
Igwe! Your veranda could not contain the amount of produce I came with. Igwe, if you go out now, I'm sorry to say, but you'll be stepping on corns all over your compound. Apart from that, I sold some because the harvest was so bounteous and the money is right there. Igwe, if it pleases your majesty, let me adorn the princess and take her to my house as my lovely wife. For I have done your biddings.
Wonderful, wonderful. That sounds so musical to the ear. Well, welcome.
Thank you.
Well, you?
Igwe.
Yes. What have you brought?
May you live above.
Look, my friend, cut all these praises and go straight. What did you bring?
I'm sorry, Igwe. I did not come with anything.
What? You mean to tell me that you walked into my palace without even a grain of corn? I should have known that I was dealing with a hungry man.
Of course.
Maybe you boiled the corn to feed your family with, or you grounded them and made my mayoka.
No, Igwe. I actually planted the corn the moment I left the palace. And on daily basis, I check on it, I work hard on this. I put in all my efforts. But none of the corn sprouted. That is why I'm unable to come again.
No, will you shut up, my friend? I gave you treasure to go and multiply. And you are here telling me you didn't come with anything. Okay, or maybe the produce so much that you could not transport it down here. Odom.
Yes, my king.
Go to my room, get me 200,000 naira. Let us give it to him to enable him transport the produce down here.
Yes, my king.
No, my king. I'm telling you the truth. I really worked hard on it and...
You're a joke.
Okay. My princess, you've heard from your suitors. What do you have to say? I guess you have nothing to say, but you are smiling in your heart now that the day has come. I know I want to believe that those tears are tears of joy because you must be betrothed to the man of your heart today. My people, my daughter must not be given to a lazy man.
Yes.
My daughter must not be given to a liar, a cunning and deceitful man. Such a man can kill me. Such a man can kill my daughter or even cause her heartache. My daughter must be married to a man who is straightforward.
Of course.
A man who is hardworking, a man who is truthful, productive, and most importantly, a caring man.
Sure.
A man who spent all his time in his farm to make sure that he has a good yield so as to please the king must be able to take care of my daughter.
Igwe, you're a very good judge of characters.
Yes. Honorable Uche,
my king.
Did you plant those corns I gave you?
Yes, my king.
And did very well?
Very well, my king.
The same thing with yours, Prince Chike?
Yes, Your Majesty. The harvest was robust.
Unfortunately, the corn I gave to 3 of you is not a productive corn. It is boiled corn. I give you boiled corn because I know that some deceitful ones, some cunning one will find a way to get around it to make sure that you escape. Unfortunately, this young man that I hated much has done what my heart desires.
Thank you.
Yes. Come, my son. My princess, you come. You are a great man.
Thank you.
And you are worthy to be my son-in-law. So I now give you my daughter. In 2 weeks' time, bring your kinsmen to me, and I will formally hand her over to you. So that we now conclude all the marriage rites. Odom, I want you to go to the town crier this evening and tell him to go around the whole kingdom and tell my people to prepare for the biggest wedding feast ever in this town. Yes. Every household must prepare food and bring to the palace. And you should tell the wine tappers that the best and the sweetest wine should be brought to the palace too. What is your name again?
My name is Peter.
Peter.
Peter Obuka.
That's very good. You are my illustrious son-in-law. My gentlemen, make sure you carry those rubbish you put on my compound. I don't want to work on cons. I want to work on integrity and truth. In addition, I am going to give you a check of 10 million naira for you to start your new life. Next year, because all roads lead to the palace for the greatest party ever in this kingdom. So, let's go to the dining table and make merry. It's worth celebrating.